Okay, I guess part 2 of the trail walk. I guess when I got to this park, they had 2 different trails. Looks like the other one was a shorter distance, but they're similar. They're not as far, but the other one, I mean, that's okay. I might see if I could take a dune walk to that one and cross over and come back. That'd be probably the thing to do. Because I'm kind of paralleling the coast right now a little bit. And I think it kind of slowly meanders to it. We'll see how ever so slowly. I think it's about maybe another 10-minute walk. Yeah, I haven't done a lot of hiking this year, so this is good. Too bad it's so late in the year to get in the groove. Mostly pines and other trees. Maple again. Boy, it's quiet. I think you hear the trees growing. Places always look closer on the map. This wasn't too descriptive since it's a state forest. There's actually no like color markers or numbered markers. A sign occasionally. Tell you if you're going the wrong way, I think. The last sign was to take you down to this Nordhouse lake, which, I don't know, to a little lake when I got Lake Michigan coming up. Hopefully sooner than later. I think once I start going up higher, it'll be a sign. Boy, very foresty smelling. I don't know how to explain it. There's some fine beach sand down here. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Yeah, I thought about filming on the way back, but I don't think so. Kind of be nice not to have to hold something the whole way. Got my water bottle in my back pocket, so that's good. Holy shit, are we ever gonna get there? I see some high bluffs over there. Maybe we're going closer. Hey. Yeah, I think I hear waves. Very slightly. That could be my imagination. Oh no, we're turning away from it. Damn. Yeah, I can't believe the hills on the side here going up higher and higher are fairly close. Oh, a sign coming up. You went the wrong way. Oh boy, let's see what this says. I hate signs. It does say Ridge Trail. Oh, wait. Now what? Huh. Interesting. So I go up or go down? That's what the... Well, this will probably take me closer to the lake. If not, I'll try the other way. He said, yeah, go up before you go down. Oh, man, I hope I got the volume on this thing up. Otherwise it'd be a waste of time. And if this doesn't get me anywhere, I'm turning around anyways. About done walking. I still gotta walk back. I gotta believe this will take me to a nice overlook. I have no clue where that one goes. Almost time for a break. I think it is time right now. Part 3 coming up.